Hey crypto fam. Welcome back to my channel. Want to turn your Binance account into a passive income machine by 2025? Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, these 5 proven methods can help you earn $10,000 a month or more. I'm breaking them all down today.
Let's get started.
Method 1. Spot trading, buy low, sell high. First up, spot trading. This is your classic, buy low, sell high strategy. In 2025, experts predict coins like BNB, ETH, and SOL will dominate. Use Binance's advanced charts and set price alerts to catch trends early. Pro tip: pair this with dollar cost averaging to minimize risk and maximize gains. Method 2. Futures trading, leverage wisely. Next, futures trading. Binance lets you trade with up to 125x leverage, but tread carefully. Stick to 5-10x to avoid liquidation. Focus on high-volume coins and use stop-loss orders. In 2025, AI-powered tools like Binance Futures Grid bots will make this even easier for beginners. Method 3. Staking and Binance Earn staking. Lock up coins like DOT, ADA, or ETH in Binance Earn to earn 5-20% AP. By 2025, staking rewards could skyrocket with Ethereum 2.0 upgrades. Pro tip: use flexible savings for liquidity or locked staking for higher returns. Method 4. DeFi and yield farming. DeFi on Binance Smart Chain. Platforms like PancakeSwap and Venus offer yield farming opportunities with 100% plus AP. Stake LP tokens or provide liquidity, just watch out for impermanent loss. In 2025, DeFi 2.0 projects will make this safer and more profitable. Method 5. NFTs and Binance Marketplace. Finally, NFTs. Binance's NFT marketplace is exploding. Flip limited edition drops, or create your own NFT art. By 2025, gaming and metaverse NFTs will dominate. Pro tip: follow Binance's launchpad for exclusive NFT launches. Bonus: security tips. Quick bonus: secure your profits. Enable 2FA, whitelist withdrawal addresses, and store funds in Binance's SAFU fund protected wallets. Remember, staying safe is how you stay rich. And there you have it, 5 legit ways to make money with Binance in 2025. Whether you're trading, staking, or flipping NFTs, consistency is key. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto income hacks. Drop a comment: which method will you try first? Thanks for watching, and remember, never invest more than you can lose.